Good morning. I'm exhausted, but we get to race today, so I'm excited for that. All the guys just got here. We just have to get the funny car out of the trailer and get to work. So while the funny car's up here with no body on it, it's a lot easier to see how we tie it down. So we have this one strap. There's usually two. We only did one last night for moving the trailer around. They go around the axle and around the rear end. And then if you come up here to the front, we have another two straps that tie to the bottom of the back A-arm, and you just pull the car back to get these straps tight, and then we strap it all the way down in the back, and that's the way we have it done for tying the race car down. Here we go. Rolling up for the first session. Today is Funny Car Friday, which means the funny car runs first. So we're gonna have to run. I'll run down to the top end so that we can tow it back, and I'll put the wires and flip the switches and get it towed back, and then we'll get it back to the pit, and we've got to run up and watch the dragster run for the first session. Then we'll get back with the dragster and service everything. And we might be making the second session with both cars. This is going to be a stressful, long, but not long turnaround. So, also, how about we get that 3-second run? That'd be fantastic. Car had a hole out, so Dad shut him off. We're gonna head back and get everything serviced and taken care of. You're sitting on the floor in here, like literally. Okay, I'm gonna have to stand up so I can't hold the camera. So we have Wade's brother-in-law. The other night I said that he was his brother, and apparently they've been laughing about it all week. We've got him and his family, his daughter and his two boys back here. They came over to check out the two cars. The boys got to sit in both cars, and Cameron's gonna come up on the line with us in a couple hours when we run. You excited?
Yeah! You ready, guys?
So I'm taking them back over to their suite real quick, and then I've got to get back. I'm not sure when we're warming up the funny car, but I'm sure it'll be probably, what time is it?
We have 6:20.
We'll probably warm it up at 7 or so if it's 6:20. You want me to come back over and fetch you guys for the warm-up?
Yeah, absolutely.
Cool. Cameron was mentioning to me that he has a bunch of cool cars, and he lives in Waco, which is like 25 minutes from where our shop is. So next time I'm here in Texas after this race, we're gonna see if we can get together and film something cool with his cars. Sitting in the cars because we are about to warm them up. We need to get both cars warmed up, and then it's dinner time, and then it's time to go race. So we're very busy. tacos on the hood of a Kia. Life is good. Time for that 3, baby! Okay, the rear end's welded, we think. So, the clutch is welded. So we're gonna have to fix that. I went and borrowed an Allen pack.
Congratulations to Gemma, Rick Ware.
Time to do it with the dragster.
Woo! 8 miles.
Thank you, sir, Uber driver.
Here you can see the elusive funny car in its natural habitat. Miss Heather's in here working on racks, and she taught me how to service the caps. So the first thing you've got to do is pick it up and flip it over and make sure the washers are facing the right direction. You probably won't be able to see it on camera, but there's a little camber on the washer, so you have to make sure it's facing the right direction. Then you put it back in here, we oil all of the threads, and then put LAT down all of the center on the bearings. And they're good to go back in the car.
We just picked Destinations.
Hi, Kitty. Hi.
Bed and breakfast coupon.
Oh, hi.
Yeah.
You helping with
Picked
the rack?
Destination and
Okay, I am filming this after I already filmed the outro that you guys will see after this. I think that made sense. Anyways, it's got the rear end most of the way apart. Dad's working on bamboozling that. It's got the motor with the motor covers just set on. We're not putting the heads back on tonight. Dad has to pick gaskets tomorrow. And over here, with the dragster, they're sanding on the crank to make sure it's good to go. And then a rack is going to be put in it, and I think we're going to call it a day from there because it is... Hey, James, what time is it?
1 a.m.
It is 1 a.m.
Half day. As Austin Crow used to say, we only worked a half day today.
Half day?
Half day.
Half day. It's half day, so hopefully we can go to bed soon.
Everybody had to do everything, and now I'm going like, I don't know.
You ready for bed yet, Miss Heather?
Very, very ready.
Same, bro. Same.
Yeah, bro.
How are you, Joe?
I'm awesome. Why?
Yes, he
Because
is.
we're at a drag strip.
Yep,
and that's
we're
my
not-
happy place.
Yep.
Fair enough.
Yeah, but I am tired. I will
See
admit.
you guys tomorrow.
All right, have a good one.
Yeah. It's past my bedtime. We aren't putting the heads back on the cars tonight. The funny car has a rack. I don't think the dragster has a rack in it yet. We did hurt the rear end, so we've got to kind of figure that out. But right now, it is already 11:40. Oh, and there we go. It's already 11:46. Everybody's tired, so I'm gonna end the video here. That way, it's not something I forget about, and I can start transferring footage and all of that stuff. It was super cool having Cameron come out today. We are already planning a couple of videos we're gonna do with him later this year, next time I'm in Texas. There is another surprise coming up. There might be a new project car coming into my life that will be a new series on the channel, so keep an eye out for that. We're just making sure, trying to make it happen, and we're gonna go clean up stuff. Sorry, I'm tired. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all them YouTubey things, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Never give up.